Peace researcher, how may I help you today? My name is Courtney, and I'm your host for this Jabril AI tutorial. Jabril AI is a curated repository of knowledge from Black scholars, authors, practitioners, preserved in the Black Civilization Research Archive. We're going to start off here where I know you see that these words are changing. These are questions that you can actually ask and you could click on if you're not sure of what question that you want to actually ask Jabril to start off with. How do I deal with stress and anxiety as a Black person? I wasn't able to click that, so I actually clicked, what are traditional African relationship values? I think that's a very good topic to research. So as you see, it comes up with the topic, Traditional African Research Values, Holistic Relationships and MAT, Community and Family Structure, Spiritual and Ethical Foundations, the Role of Women and Matriarchy, and then it gives you sources here. Each topic also gives you a source from where this information came from. And this specific topic of holistic relationships and that is coming from the African Holistic Health book. Once you have this information, you're able to share the information. You can share it on different platforms. You see, you could share it on your iMessage. You could share it on notes, reminders, and I'm pretty sure that you could share it outside as well. There is a print feature as well. When you click the print, you're able to print to your printer, or you could change it to PDF. You have the translate feature where you can translate it to English, Spanish, French, Swahili, and Medu-Neter, which is, if you're not sure about that, that is the Egyptian hieroglyphics, that it will change this text into symbols of ancient Egyptian symbols and hieroglyphics. So if I click Spanish, it'll definitely take a minute because the system is translating into Spanish. So it goes pretty fast. That's pretty cool, huh? So that opens up the opportunity for other countries to be able to use Jabril as well. We're going to switch it back to English. And we're going to actually ask our own question. The first time we chose one of the questions that were offered. So based off of this information right here, I'm going to choose my own question. So let's see. So here it talks about role of women in matriarchy. Since I'm a woman, I'm going to look at this and I want to see what type of question that I could come up with that I may want to ask Jabril. African cultures often recognize the importance of matriarchy, where descendants can pass through both female and male lines. This recognition helps protect the rights of women and ensures gender equality within the family structure. Okay, that's interesting. So tell me more about African holistic health. System is consulting the archive. Healing practices and methods. I'm curious to know more about that. I can use this microphone right here to talk and ask my question, and Jabril will generate an answer for me. Can you dive deeper on healing practices and methods, please? As we wait, this is actually a pretty good system. I love going through the system and finding out more information, especially about holistic health and how to heal the body. So it gives you different healing practices that you can use and incorporate into your natural routine as you go through your health journey. So fasting and nutrition. So Sacred Woman, this is interesting. I wonder where I can purchase this book. So I'm going to say, where can I purchase the book Sacred Woman? And right now we're in archive mode, and to find out where I can purchase this book, I definitely have to go into the web mode to find out that information. So we're going to go there, and I'm going to click here. But before I do that, I will say, can you share various places where I can purchase? Please share websites, the book price, and address to the nearest Black-owned bookstores in Phoenix, Arizona. Click the web mode so I can go over there, and let's see what populates. Okay, so Sacred Black Woman can be purchased paperback at Target. See, you could get it at Amazon, but it's not there. eBay, you can buy it on eBay. Or if you go to Arizona, you could get it from the Grassroots bookstore. So let me copy this address right here because I want to know, because I don't actually live in Phoenix, Arizona. I live in the neighboring city. So I'm going to go there and I'm going to click look it up. It's going to populate it for me, telling me exactly where it is. And I'm going to click directions. So it automatically pops up where the directions is and how far it is. So that's extremely helpful. Okay, so on this side over here, you have your sign out, your new research button. So if I want to create a new research, then I can click here and start fresh and create a new thread. Or I'm able to remove chats. So we'll see how that removes it. I can remove that one. And if I choose to clear them all, I'm not going to do it right now, but I'm also able to do that. So thanks again. If you have any questions, you're more than welcome to add your questions down below. Give us a thumbs up if you like it, and tell us if you want more. Thank you and have a great day. JabrilAI, Black Authentic Intelligence.